students, welcome back to our Math Genesis. In today's session, we'll start with exercise 2.3. Okay, solve the following equations and check your result. Okay, we have to solve this equation, and once we get the value of x, we have to keep the value of this x in this equation and we have to see whether it is right or wrong. Okay, now when we consider the equation 3x equals to 2x plus 18. So what is the variable here? X means we have to find the value of x. Okay, in this equation we have to find the value of x. So 3x equals to 2x plus 18. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll move this towards my left hand side because this is an x term and this is an x term. Okay, so I'll move towards my left hand side. So when it comes towards my left hand side, it will become negative. So 3x minus 2x equals to 18. Now 3 minus 2 is 1. So 3x minus 2x is 1x, which is nothing but x. So x equals to 18. So we got the value of the x. Now we have to check the result. Okay, now checking the solution. Okay, so when you are checking the solution, we will take first left hand side and right hand side. All the time left hand side should be equal to right hand side. Then our solution is correct. Okay, now what is our equation? Now what is our equation? 3x equals to 2x plus 18. Okay, now this is what? Left hand side and this is right hand side. Now this solution and this solution should be equal. Now when you consider first left hand side, what is the left hand side? 3x. When you consider left hand side is only 3x, which is nothing but 3 into, what's the value of x? 18. Okay, 3 into 18 is 54. So we got the value of LHS. Now we'll find RHS. RHS. Now what is the equation RHS? 2x plus 18. So it is 2x plus 18. So 2x is nothing but 2 into x. 2 into, what's the value of x we got here? 18. 18 plus 18. 2 into 18 is 36. 36 plus 18. 5. 54. So you got here 54 and you got here 54, right? Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, that's the answer. Next one. 5t minus 3 is equals to 3t minus 5. Okay. So solution, 5t minus 3 equals to 3t minus 5. So here what we have to find? We have to find the value of t. So we have to find the value of t. Okay, so what I'll do here is all the terms which is having the variable t, I'll keep one side. Okay, and the constants are nothing but numbers, I'll move to the other side. Okay, now 5t as it is, I'll write down here 5t. Okay, now this 3t I'll move towards my left hand side. Okay, when I'm moving this 3t towards my left hand side, because it is positive, when it comes towards my left hand side, it will become negative. So it will become minus 3t. Okay, now equals to, the minus 5 will be as it is towards my right hand side, minus 5. Then this minus 3, when it moves towards my right hand side, it will become plus 3. So plus 3. Okay. Now 5t minus 3t is nothing but 5 minus 3 is how much? 2. So 5t minus 3t is 2t. 2t equals to, we are having two different signs. If two different signs, we have to subtract and we'll keep the sign of the greatest number. If you see here, which is the greatest number? 5. Yes, 5 is having which sign? Negative sign. So I'll keep here negative. Okay. Now 5 minus 3 is how much? 2. So I'll get here minus 2. Okay. Next, I want only the value of t. Yes. Now 2 is getting multiplied over here. When it comes towards my right hand side, it will become divided. Therefore, t equals to minus 2 by 2. 2 ones, 2 minus 1. So how much we got the value of t? Therefore, t equals to minus 1. T is the value of t is minus 1. Now we have to check the solution. Okay. Checking the solution. So what is our equation? 5t minus 3t. Sorry, 5t minus 3 is equals to 3t minus 5. So this is our left hand side and this is our right hand side. So first we'll solve left hand side, then we'll solve the right hand side. So first left hand side, what is the equation we have? 5t minus 3. Okay, which is equals to 5 into, what's the value of t we got here? Minus 1. So 5 into minus 1, minus 3. Okay, 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 5 and minus 3 as it is. So both are having same sign, so we should add. But because the greater one is having the negative sign, so we'll keep answer as minus 5 plus 3 is 8. So LHS we got as minus 8. Now we'll see RHS. RHS, what is RHS here? 3t minus 5. 3t minus 5. So what is the value of t here? Minus 1. So when we substitute the value, 3 into minus 1 minus 5. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 minus 5. Because both are having same sign, so we are adding, and because we are having negative sign, we will keep as negative, that is minus 8. So what we got? LHS equals to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, next one. 5x plus 9 is equals to 5 plus 3x. So here which value we have to find? We have to find the value of x. So x equals to how much? Question mark. Okay, now 5x plus 9 is equals to 5 plus 3x. Now here also I'll be transposing 3x towards my left hand side and 9 towards my right hand side. Okay, 5x, because here it is plus, when it comes towards my left hand side it will become minus 3x is equals to 5 as it is 5, and when I am transposing 9 towards my right hand side, because it is positive, when it comes towards my right hand side it will become negative. So it will become 5 minus 9. Okay, now 5x minus 3x is 2x. 2x is equals to, and 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Why minus 4? Because here plus and minus 2 different signs. Okay, so we have to do subtraction, and we should keep the sign of the greatest digit. Here the greatest digit is 9. So it is 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Now I want only x. So I have to move 2 towards my right hand side, because it is getting multiplied. When it comes towards my right hand side, it will get divided. So x equals to minus 4 by 2. Okay, now 2 ones, 2 twos. So I got here minus 2. Therefore x equals to minus 2. So what the value of x we got as? Minus 2. Now we'll check the solution. Okay, checking the solution. Okay, what's the equation here? 5x plus 9 is equals to 5 plus 3x. So this is our left hand side and this is our right hand side. So first we'll find left hand side. What is the left hand side equation? 5x plus 9. Okay, which is nothing but 5 into, what's the value of x we got? Minus 2. Minus 2 plus 9. So 5 twos, it is 10. And because we are having negative, we'll keep minus 10. So it is minus 10 plus 9. So minus and plus, again two different signs. So we have to do subtraction. And which is having the greatest number? 10 is the greatest digit and it's having minus sign. So answer will be minus 10 plus 9 is 1. So it is minus 1. Similarly, we'll find RHS. Okay, so it is 5 plus 3x, which is nothing but 5 plus 3 into, value of x is here how much? Minus 2. Okay, is equals to 5 plus 3 into 2 is 6. Because we are having minus 2, it is minus 6. Minus 6, which is nothing but plus into minus, it is minus. So 5 minus 6, which is nothing but minus 1. Why we got here minus 1? Because here we have a positive and a negative digits and 6 is the greatest number, so I have kept the minus sign. So 5 minus 6 is minus 1. Okay, now we got LHS and RHS as equal. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS. Okay.